This is a referral to the Office of the Ombudsman regarding former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico. First of all, the referral is a collection of facts, as you can see. Now, these are the documents that are from DPWH. Mostly, these are contracts of the companies that have been alleged to be connected to former Congressman Zaldico, namely SunWest Corporation and High Tone Construction. No, and we are here to submit to the Ombudsman the contracts from 2016 of these corporations up to 2025. So these are, as you can see, madaming kontrata po ito. No, and sinusumiti po natin ito sa Office of the Ombudsman para kanilang mas malalim na busisiin sa kanilang investigasyon. No, ikalawa, sinama din po namin sa referral ang sworn testimonies ng sa Blue Ribbon hearing sa Senate related to both former Speaker Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico, specifically the testimony of I'm not sure of the rank, but I think it's Sergeant Gutesa, no? Because these are sworn testimonies under oath sa Blue Ribbon Committee, and they are linked with our investigation and also the ICI's investigation to the recommendations that we have made in this referral for former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Congressman Zaldico. Violation of Republic Act 7080 or an act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Letter B, violations of Section 3A, B, and E and H of Republic Act 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. And finally, violation of Article 210 of the Revised Penal Code on direct bribery.